Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on, and good morning. This is your 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. What does success and happiness look like to you? Some think it's all about the money. Some think about it's a load of flashy cars, whereas others, they just want happiness and time with their family. What is it that you really do want from your world? Find out your goals, find out how you can get there, and chase it down. Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.